Have a lot of patience.
Coming down.
Oh, you're getting on that fish.
I was feeding the duck.
Okay, watch out, watch out. I'm taking a movie.
Yeah,
You're right in the way, Ashley.
patience, patience. Hope you don't hit it.
There you go. Come on.
Rip this bottom.
Watch out, Ashley. Get off the track.
I got you might make it. You're picking it up.